So this is for year 11, chemical reactions and energy, lessons 4 and 5, because you need extra time to finish the homework booklet on this. We're looking at more calculations on energies, pages 25 to 30 in your class book. So make sure before you do this lesson that you've done lesson 3, because that introduces the concept of the calculations on energy. So the first thing we do, hydrogen burns in the presence of oxygen to form water. We write a word equation, we write a balance symbol equation, and we draw the molecules and bonds to break and make. So hydrogen burns in the presence of oxygen to form water. That's all the information you need for those 3 tasks. So that's your word equation. That's your symbol equation. Is it balance? You can go through this much slower than what I'm doing. You can stop and start it. That's a balanced symbol equation now. And the breaking bonds, we've got 2 lots of HH bonds to break. And we've got 1 molecule of O double bond O to break. I know it's kilojoules per mole, and a mole is technically 6 times 10 to the 23 particles. But just for working out these, we just need to balance the equation, and we're looking at the individual bonds that we're breaking. Okay? Making bonds, we're making 2 lots of water molecules, so there's 4 OH bonds there. Make sure you can see why there's 4 OH bonds being made. So then it's our usual, the table, breaking bonds, making bonds. You fill in the table with bonds breaking and bonds being made and how many of each, and you work out your overall energy change. And again, I've given you the answers for this, and it's just a matter of working through it. I'm hoping the majority of you now are doing this on your own, and you're just double checking your answers from this. So now try page 27 and 28, question 4. And question 5, page 29 and 30. They are different, read them carefully. What I then want you to do is to complete the homework booklet. I know some of you might have started it in lesson 3, but you complete all the questions in the homework booklet once all your 11 have completed this topic. An answer booklet will be put on Moodle for the classwork book and the homework book. So you can work through those questions this lesson and complete the homework booklet, so I'm giving you an extra lesson to do that. Okay, and I will be putting up a self-marking quiz on Moodle for next lesson as well.